Students, now we are in a new chapter, linear inequalities. Linear inequalities, not equalities but inequalities. What are inequalities? What is equality? Yes, it is nothing but equal to symbol. Okay, if there is an equation or equal to symbol, then the expression will be called as what? Equality. But here this type of symbol is used. What is that? Greater than. Here x greater than 3. X is greater than 3. X വലിയ number ആണ്, 3 ചെറുതാണ്. So the mouth of the symbol is open towards left side. അല്ലേ? ഈ സിമ്പിളിൻ്റെ മൗത്ത് വായ ഓപ്പൺ ആയത് എക്സ് നേരെയാണ്. So x is greater and its back side is 3. So 3 is less number, ചെറിയ number. So here x is greater than 3. Okay, so this expression is called what? Inequality, right? Then why we use linear? Linearity means a straight line. So here x, not x square or x cube, x raised to 4, but simply x or 2x or 3x or 4x. So highest power of the variable x is 1, x raised to 1. So that is why we are called linear inequality. So in this chapter you can't see x square or x cube or x raised to 4 etc. Only x with the power 1 can be seen. Yes. Then can you find the appropriate values for this expression x greater than 3? X greater than 3 means what? 4, 5, 6 etc. if x is an integer. Okay. Or x greater than 3 means up from 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, that's on. Okay, anyway x is greater than 3. So first you draw a number line and its middle part is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. X greater than 3 means 3 നെക്കാളും വലുത് അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ 3 നമുക്ക് വേണ്ട, because greater than 3 വേണ്ട, up to 3 no, greater than 3. So 3ൻ്റെ കുറച്ചിപ്പുറം. So that is why I mark a black mark here. Here 3 is not included. ശരിയല്ലേ? എക്സ് ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ 3 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പം 3നെക്കാൾ വലുത്. അപ്പം 3 വേണ്ട, കുറച്ച് അപ്പുറത്ത് എടുത്താൽ മതി, 3.000001 അങ്ങനെ എടുത്താൽ മതി. Anyway, this is the expression. The shared part will determine the value or values for x greater than 3. Okay, what is x greater than or equal to 3? This is also an inequality. Here x is either equal to 3 or greater than 3. Anyway, here also an inequality can be seen. Therefore this expression is also called as what? An inequality, right? So x greater than or equal to 3 means 3 can also be taken. 3 എടുക്കാം, 3 നേക്കാൾ വലുത് എടുക്കാം. So that is why we are denoting this symbol greater than or equal to 3, right? Anyway, these two expressions are inequalities and they are linear inequalities. Okay, then we can solve this linear inequality. 24x less than 100. This symbol is what? Less than. Here back side is pointing towards 24x, so that is less number or least number, and its mouth is open towards right side. Therefore 100 is biggest number here. So it is read as what? 24x less than 100. Okay, you are given 24x less than 100. Then you can divide both sides by 24. So divide by 24, divide by 24 like this. Or you can transpose this 24 to the right side. So suppose this symbol is equal to, then you operate as in the case of equal to symbol or equation. So this 24 can be transformed to the right side. Okay, not transformed, transposed. Or this 24 can be moved. Okay, 24 can be moved to the right side. So what? X less than 100 divided by 24. All operations are same in the case of equality. Okay, so x less than 100 by 24, then or x this 100 and 24 can be cancelled. 100 of 50, 24 of 12. വീണ്ടും ഓഫാക്കുക, അങ്ങനെ 25 by 6. X less than 25 by 6 is the solution for this linear inequality. So here we got this one is what? 24x divided by 24, then 100 divided by 24. In the both, in the either sides of this inequality, we can divide by 24. Okay, anyway, this is simple. This step is very simple. So minus 12x greater than 30. So you are given minus 12x greater than 30 divided by minus 12. So here by minus 12, here by minus 12. Then it is very important to note that when you are manipulating with negative symbols, then this inequality will be changed. So when you divide this expression by minus 12, the symbol will be interchanged, or the symbol will be changed. This can be seen with an example. See, 2 less than 3. Actually 2 less than 3. 2 ചെറുതാണ്, 3 വലുതാണ്. But what about if we put minus symbol to either sides? Minus 2 less than minus 3. It is not correct because what? Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യം, നെഗറ്റീവ് സിമ്പിൾ കൊണ്ട് മാനിപ്പുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് എന്ത് പറ്റും? നെഗറ്റീവ് സിമ്പിൾ റിമൂവ് ആക്കുകയോ നെഗറ്റീവ് സിമ്പിൾ ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ആക്കുകയോ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇനിക്വാലിറ്റി ചേഞ്ച് ആവും. എന്നൊരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ നോക്കി മനസ്സിലാവും. ആക്ച്വലി 2 is less than 3, but when we apply minus symbol to both sides, then minus 2 greater than minus 3 അങ്ങനെ വരും. So here minus 12x divided by minus 12 less than 30 by minus 12, so this symbol is changed. Okay, so minus 12 minus 4 cancel, the next less than minus 30 by 12 or minus 5 by 6 or 15 by 6 or minus 5 by 2. Right, this is only simplification. Solve this one. 5x minus 3 less than 7. Okay, 5x less than minus 3 can be transposed to the right side, so 7 plus 3 10, and so that's all. X less than 2. Similarly 3x plus 8 greater than 2, 3x plus 8 greater than 2, 3x greater than 2 minus 8, that is minus 6, 3x greater than minus 6, x greater than minus 6 by 3, that is minus 2. Very simple. Solve this one. 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7, or 4x minus 5x, then less than 7, this minus 3, that is 4x minus 5x minus 1x less than 4, or minus 1x means minus x less than 4. So you can change the symbol, then this inequality will also be changed. So here minus x less than 4, then x greater than minus 4. So it is an example. 2 greater than minus 3, then you apply negative symbol, then negative 2, then less than 3. Okay, minus 2 is actually less than 3. Minus 2 3 നേക്കാൾ ചെറുതാണ്, 2 minus 3 നേക്കാൾ വലുതാണ്. Solve. 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1. 3x minus 5x greater than minus 1 plus 7. Okay, 3x minus 5x is minus 2x greater than 6, or x less than 6 by minus 2, that is x less than minus 3. X less than minus 3. So you check this result. So answer is x less than minus 3. Similarly, solve 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 2x minus 6. The same type, 3x minus 2x less than or equal to minus 6 plus 3. That is 3x minus 2x less than or equal to minus x plus 3 minus 3. Okay. Solve 3 into 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x. Expand. 6 minus 3x greater than or equal to 2 minus 2x. Okay. So minus 3x plus 2x greater than or equal to 2 minus 6. So minus x greater than or equal to minus 4. So when you are removing this negative symbol, this inequality will also be changed. So here example, minus 2 greater than minus 4. No, minus 2 minus 4 നേക്കാൾ വലുതാണ്. Symbol remove ആക്കുമ്പോൾ 2 less than 4 ആവും. This is correct. Okay. So notice on these steps. Solve x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11. So firstly you are taking x outside, then what? Here 1 by 2 1 by 3, like this, less than 11. So x into 1 plus you cross multiply this one, that is 2 into 3 6, 1 into 3 3 plus 1 into 2 2, so 5 by 6. Okay, then again cross multiply this one, so you got this one. Okay, then x into 11 by 6 less than 11, or x less than 11. This 6 can be transposed to right side, then 11 to the right side, so this becomes x less than 6. See, so 3 into x minus 2 by 5 less than or equal to 5 into 2 minus x by 3. Here first you multiply, so this 3 can be taken to this left side and this 5 can be taken to this right side, so 3 into 3 9x minus 6, okay, 9x minus 18, right, or 3 into 9 into x, 9x minus 9 into 2 18 less than or equal to, similar here 25 50 minus 25x, okay, you check this. So 9x plus 25x less than or equal to 50 plus 18, so 34x less than or equal to 68, so x less than or equal to 68 by 34, and hence x less than or equal to 2. Solve this big question. Solve 1 by 2 into 3x plus 5 plus 4 greater than or equal to 1 by 3 into x minus x, right. Then so you take this 3 to left side and this 2 to right side, so 3 into 3x by 5 plus 4 greater than or equal to 2 into x minus 6, okay, 9x by 5 plus 12 greater than or equal to 2x minus 12, 9x by 5 minus 2x greater than or equal to minus 12 minus 12, so right side will be minus 24 and left side can be cross multiplication, it is needed. So 9x by 5, that's 9x by 5 minus 2x by 1 cross multiplication, so you will get this one, and hence minus x by 5 greater than minus 24, or x by 5, so negative symbol is changed, then inequality will also be changed, okay, right. The next less than or equal to 120. Solve this expression. 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 less than 6 into x minus 2. So first you expand 4x plus 6 minus 10 less than 6x minus 12, okay, 4x minus 6x less than minus 12 minus 6 plus 10, right. 4x minus 2x, 4x minus x, 4x minus 6x minus 2x less than minus 12 minus 6 minus 18 plus 10. Minus 18 plus 10 means minus 8. So minus 2x less than minus 8, and this example minus 2 less than minus 1, actually it is true, minus 2 minus 1 നേക്കാൾ ചെറുതാണ്, so negative വരുമ്പോൾ 2, then greater than 1, രണ്ടും ഒന്നിനേക്കാൾ വലുതാണ്, so that is happened here. Minus 7x less than minus 8, so minus 2x less than minus 8, therefore 2x greater than 8, x greater than 4. And finally solve x by 4 less than 5x minus 2 by 3 minus 7x minus 3 by 5. So first you cross multiply this right side, so this becomes this and this and this, so x by 4 less than 4x minus 1 by 15, then 15 can be taken to left side and 4 to right side, so 15x less than 4 into 4x minus 1, okay. So 15x minus 16x plus 4 divided by 16 is 0. From where you got 0? So this is the whole expression is taken to the left side, okay. Minus 15x minus 16x plus 4 divided by 16 less than 0, and this 60 is transposed to right side, so 0 into 60 that is 0. Minus x plus 4 less than 0, or minus x less than minus 4, so x greater than 4, this inequality is changed. And last question, this one. Solve 3 into 1 minus x less than 2 into x plus 4, that's 3 into 1 3 minus 3x less than 2x plus 8, that is minus 3x minus 2x less than 8 minus 3 minus 5x less than 5, or net is changed, then 5x greater than minus 5, and hence x greater than minus 1. So this is our beginning of new chapter and new topic for you, that is linear inequalities. So now we are stopping this class here and we will meet through next class, okay.